guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. I'm Shalini Srivastava, and first of all, please ignore that thak noise in the background. There's a construction going on just right next to our building, and no matter how the editing is going to work, the sound will still come through. So just ignore it because the construction is going to go on for a couple of days, and I just wanted to shoot the video. So आज मेरे पास है Just Hubs की Comfort Matte Lipstick. So these are their long stay relaxed matte lipstick. Sorry, not Comfort Matte. They are enriched with shea butter and jojoba oil. Today, while going through my stash, I discovered the box where I had all these lipsticks, and I thought, let's swatch a couple of them. So I have handpicked 12 shades that I think will look really good on medium to deeper skin tone, and then I'm giving away 5 shades each to two of you. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know how to win these lipsticks. So first of all, the formula here is really comfortable. It is a matte lipstick, but it is not drying matte. They are enriched with shea butter and jojoba oil, which means these are quite moisturizing. This is the outer carton. This is how it looks like. Here you can see the shade name. So this is how the packaging looks like from the inside. It looks very luxurious. This rose gold and white combination. And when you open it, here is the lipstick. It's a basic twist up bullet lipstick, and I think the packaging is really nice. I'm going to mention the price on the screen as well as the ingredients and the shade range. They have really good shades, and Just Hubs is an Ayurvedic brand, so these shades are going to be like the formula is going to be enriched with really good Ayurvedic ingredients. So without wasting time, let's start the swatch party. Lastly, I would like to add that these lipsticks have really good pigmentation. So if you have dark lips, these are going to cover darkness very, very well. So all the shades that I swatched, except 1 or 2 shades, all the shades look really good on me. This color especially is so beautiful. It's almost like terracotta-ish brown. It's very pretty. It's going to look good on medium to deeper skin tones. The colors are really nice. The formula is matte. So prep your lips before you apply these lipsticks for a comfortable wear. I think you can get a good wear of 5 hours from these lipsticks. These are not transfer proof. So these will transfer a little bit whenever you eat or drink something. But I think the formula is very comfortable on the lips and feels really incredible. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video and found it helpful. I'm going to link the lipsticks in the info box below. Do not forget to check them out. I think these lipsticks are pretty affordable. These are priced at rupees 445 each, and I think right now you can get them on some discount. So do check them out. So those are all the swatches, and here are rest of the shades. So all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and comment below your favorite shade from the shades I swatched. I'll choose and announce winners in my next video. I'm going to link these lipsticks in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.